It's a rainbow. Ah. What's up, everybody? I'm on my way to a night class. I got my clear visor in my bag just in case it gets out a little late. I'll be able to switch my visor so I can see at nighttime. Deuces. Man, it's so windy. Well, a few videos ago, I mentioned buying a t-shirt that said like, "What's up, everybody" on it. So just to play around with that, I made it. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you want to buy a t-shirt. You don't have to, and there's not going to be very many to sell, but I am going to sell a few of them. So if you want a t-shirt, I have a t-shirt. I actually have several designs, not just that. So like, if you see something you like, I mean, feel free to check it out. Oh, almost didn't make that light. Hey y'all! I want a sticker that says "Hey y'all." Show everyone I'm Southern with a sugar skull. Got a sugar skull sticker and a "Hey y'all" sticker. Who are you? Anyway, the t-shirts are just like a fun idea. By no means do you have to go do that, but it's just something that supports me, since I don't actually get money from YouTube or anything, or yeah, anything else really. And I'm paying money to go to college. It would just be cool if you guys wanted to buy a shirt and support me. Plus, some of them have my name on it, you know, that'd be like advertising for me, and that's cool, because eventually I can grow my channel and maybe make like $6 from YouTube. One day. But yeah, this is just a fun little thought. I'm gonna sell some t-shirts. Not a whole lot of them. They're gonna be limited, but don't worry, not many people are gonna fight you for them. But yeah. I'm about to go through the part of town here where the roads are just horrifically, awfully terrible. Look, everyone goes around that that plate right there. Oh, this guy's not doing it. I'm doing it. Whew, man, these roads are awful. You see how bad cars bump just going over, like, you can't even see them. That's the worst part. Like the bumps in the roads here, oh, I feel them, but you can't see them. Like the first time I was driving through there in my car, I had no idea, and I was just like went over them full speed. Nearly died. Not really, but it was really bad for my car. I wonder if we'll see an accident today, since they happen all the time. I'm serious, like, I'm only gonna be going through here. I think this is the last time, so this is the only other video you're gonna see of this road, but I'll honestly be surprised if I don't catch an accident going through here 2 whole times without seeing a car wreck. But, anywhere. Anyway, I am gonna sell those t-shirts. I think I have like tank tops and hoodies or something on there too. I don't know. Different colors, a few different designs. Like right now I think there's 2 pages of just designs on there. So go check them out. If you see something you like, for realio, I mean, that'd be awesome. If you could buy a shirt, you know, just grab a little shirt there. You know, support your favorite motovlogger, you know what I'm saying? You know, just give me a little shirt there, you know? That is an airfield. Oh, I don't know if I can catch that on camera, but there's a rainbow over there. You know what that means? I don't. I have no idea what that means. But there is a rainbow over there, though. Can you see it? Can you see it? I hope that shows up on camera, or else I'm just going to look like an idiot. That's fine, though. I'm used to that. Hello, sir. How much for one of these nice chairs? It's a rainbow. Well, goodbye, Mr. Rainbow. It's time I turn away from you. Never gonna find that pot of gold. Ugh. But maybe I'll find something to fix these holes in the road. See that in my last video? I talked about sand being in the I talked about sand being in the middle of the road. It's right there. For those of you who don't know, they put sand down after accidents. If a vehicle like leaks something on the ground, they don't want it to stay there, obviously, because that's more dangerous if they have like something slick or flammable in the road. So they put sand down. I know that's an interesting fact that no one cares about, but there you go. That's a sketchy looking van. It's hot. Raising my visor. It's hot out here still, even though it's like almost 7 o'clock. That was a cool bike. Yeah, this video may have turned out longer than I wanted it to be. It's supposed to just be a short little video talking about my shirts I'm selling. Shameless plug. He's got a U.S. Army sticker. I've got a U.S. Army name tape. We could be friends. Well guys, that's all I got for you today. This video should be going up on Friday, and that's the day that I will be headed back home. So hopefully I can film another video then and get it out by Saturday. Why are we stopping? But yeah, I've tried to have a video out for you every day this week, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty nifty, huh? Let's race. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So until next time, I will catch you later. Always remember, you can go buy one of my shirts from the link in the description down below.